What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Google AI chat history. So when you're in Google, by looking in the search section here, you can see AI mode. You can click there and you can basically chat whatever you want. So I'm going to say let's just choose this, right? Scientology, right? And let's say this is something that I search. Now you can easily delete your history once you're in a chat, right? If you look towards the left hand side, you hover over these icons. This one here is new thread and this here is AI history, right? So AI mode history. So you click on it and you can see your chats, and you can go here and delete one by one if you want. As you can see, you don't want to do that, right? I'm going to just show you deleting one, or click on the settings gear, then click and see my AI mode history. This is going to take you into your Google search service history, and from here you can delete those. So right here you can see all the history, right? And if you're using it for a long period of time, you can choose how you want to delete it, right? Now let's go ahead and delete this. So here you see that it's showing you can delete. You can click this and you can choose how you want to delete and so forth, right? Let me just click that off. But to clear this or to delete this, I'm going to click on delete these results. Click on delete and you can see right away, got it. You can see now I clear the history there. So that's it. This is how you can delete your Google AI chat history or your Google AI mode chat history. Very easy and very simple, guys.